idea. I know how to tease that bad guy on the net. Try blowing my house down, Dinosaur. You'll never make it. And send... Huh? He sent me something?
This is the message for Slick Slime Sam. Challenge accepted. I will blow that house of yours down.
What? Oh, no. What should I do now? Susie, help! Sue, he's coming!
Who is coming? What are you talking about?
Big Bad Dinosaur! Someone might have challenged him to blow down a house. What should we do?
A challenge, you say? Come with me.
Okay.
Whoa! Sammy, how did you manage to eat that many popsicles?
They're tasty! I might have a problem.
Well, we'll use them all, and some glue, too.
I'm planning to help you a lot today. Here's the glue gun.
Great, thanks. You know I'm always happy to hear that. Together we'll build a house that even a dinosaur can't blow down.
Are you for real? Then I need to get into construction mode.
Now, that's the attitude I like. We need this smaller. That's more like it.
Is it gonna be a window?
Yep, every house needs one, right? And just like that, the first wall is ready.
Keep it coming, fellas. Easy, easy.
Sam, did you forget we're using popsicle sticks for the house? We won't need any bricks today.
Really? I thought you were joking. Wait!
You okay?
Never been better. Ouch! Luckily, I'm wearing my hard hat.
That's for sure.
Now look at that. What am I gonna do with all these bricks now, huh? Wait, I've got it.
Has inspiration struck, Sammy?
It sure has, Susan. Either that or it's a concussion.
I can't wait to see what you will create. Now watch closely, friends. This technique will add some strength to the walls. See?
Great job, Sue. But I'm not fiddling my thumbs either, you know. That dinosaur will be shocked when he sees this. No one messes with Slick Slime.
I need one more wall. I have only 3 now.
Does that mean I need 4 walls too?
Hey, no one said designing a house was easy. Now one stick goes here and another one over here. We need to combine these 2 walls now, like this.
Sue, help me. Is this course of bricks right?
Yep, you're so smart.
I know.
Alrighty, where was I? Oh, of course. It's time to deal with the roof. The peak is ready. But we can't leave it just like that, can we? Well, what do you say, Sam?
I'd say that I made a little something here as well.
And what exactly is that?
It's a castle! Look! I even have the blueprint!
I guess it should be the other way.
Huh? What do you mean? I see where I went wrong. Thanks.
Don't mention it. Happy to help.
I guess I need some radical measures. Take that!
One more popsicle stick. Hey, what are you doing?
A big redesign!
Why did I ask? Okay, popsicle sticks, it's your turn now. Let's get you into shape too.
The hammer's not enough. I better go a little more, whoa, industrial. What's that? Sue, I found something. This might come in handy. Actually, Sue, I think it's yours.
Oh, you're right. It's a chimney. Thanks for your help, Sammy. I still have a few things to do here.
Mayday! Mayday! Help me, somebody!
Holy cannoli, are you okay?
Yeah! That castle might be Dino-proof, but it's not Sam-proof.
That's right. And we are moving on. Now, all the pieces are ready. But before we start the assembling, we need to paint them.
It will be a masterpiece, a work of art, but I need to change. A proper outfit is important. Now we're talking. I'm ready to work.
Then let's get started. I will use all my favorite colors today.
want to capture this significant moment. Oh, hold on a sec.
Take your time. This yellow reminds me of the sun in a bright blue clear sky. Now, how about some purple? Do you like it, friends? And a chimney will be red.
Hey, is that a house or a rainbow?
I'm just getting creative here if you don't mind.
Sue, I nailed it. Do you want to have a look? Ta-da!
Aw, it's wonderful, Sammy. I love it.
Thanks, but are we gonna have a glimpse of that house in reality?
Of course, the paint has dried out. So, we're ready for the assembling.
Great! Friends, quick, give us a thumbs up and subscribe!
Alrighty, here we go.
You nearly forgot this part, Sue.
Thanks for helping. What would I do without you? And the last touch? Voila, one sturdy house. Check.
Not quite yet. It's like we're missing something. Don't you see that? Look closer!
Oh, are you talking about windows? My bad. Let's install them. And the door, too. But I'm gonna need your help.
Coming right up. Builder Sam can get anything done in no time. Uh-huh. Okay, I got it. Okay.
Did you take all the measurements?
Yep. Shall we get to work?
We shall.
Where was that saw?
That's the attitude. Now to the painting again.
Where are those window frames?
We have a problem.
What is it, Sue?
I don't have enough pieces.
That's easy. Ask me and I'll get you anything you need.
Here's the door frame.
A door, you say? Let me help you. Make way. Sue, let me... Oh, you did it already. Oh, well, you don't need me anymore. Huh? Right. Sue, look, I guess you need this.
Thanks, but we better paint it first. And this is where it goes.
Hey, windows in the attic need window frames too.
You're right, here it goes.
Every normal house has an address, right? It's important that we keep things real. It came out fabulous.
It does look amazing, Sammy. Oh no, it's Big Bad Dinosaur.
Sam! Where are you? Come out! I'm here as promised! So, this is your fancy house. It's gonna be easy. I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow it down. Wait, is that popsicles I smell?
Yeah!
Hey, is this house made from popsicle sticks? For real?
Yep, I built it myself.
Wow, I love popsicles. Now I'm hungry.
Well, there are popsicles in our fridge. Such a sweet tooth. Subscribe to our channel, friends. And see you next time. Bye. Hey, leave me some.